Hello, everybody. My name is Kim Adams, and I'm the Principal Strategic Advisor to Family Violence, and I represent the Gippsland Family Violence Alliance. The Gippsland Family Violence Alliance is 31 agencies which all work together to support people who are experiencing family violence, as well as those who are using family violence in the home. Our agencies work with a range of different people, from those who are experiencing intimate partner violence, elder abuse, adolescent violence in the home, as well as children who are experiencing family violence. The 31 agencies of the Gippsland Family Violence Alliance come together to work on 4 key priority areas. Those areas are governance, workforce capacity and capability, data and evidence, and systems integration and improvement. It is our collective vision that we have a future where all people of Gippsland are safe, thriving, and live free from family violence. Gippsland has some of the highest rates of violence per 100,000 population, yet the issue of family and gendered violence isn't taken seriously within the community. At first, I thought this was because we marginalised family violence as something that doesn't apply to Gippsland. We often think of family and gendered violence as something that happens in other smaller communities, in more marginalised communities. However, our data doesn't show this. It shows La Trobe, East Gippsland and Wellington having some of the highest rates of family violence in the state, with sexual violence, stalking and physical assault being issues of the greatest concern. And I've begun to realise that we marginalise the issue of family violence because it does apply to us, because it does apply to most individuals in Gippsland. It's become a normalised part of our community and of our family histories. It doesn't matter which room I'm in Gippsland. If I ask if there's anybody who have either experienced family violence or know somebody who has experienced family violence, hands will always go up. It is not an issue in other communities, it's an issue in our community. The good news is in Victoria, we actually have a strong record of addressing public health crisis. And with the Royal Commission into Family Violence, we have a once in a lifetime reform which will allow us to have a service system which will help us support our victims, as well as hold our perpetrators accountable for their crimes. On this 16 Days of Activism, the collective hope of the Gippsland Family Violence Alliance is that we stop marginalising the issue of gendered and family violence, and that we accept that it is an issue for the Gippsland community. We want it to be something that we tackle and condone head on. We need to address the negative stereotypes which harm both men and women. We need to work together to have better economic and educational outcomes and options for Gippsland people, and we need to work together to make all kinds of violence unacceptable in our community. Thank you.